Friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Let's use 2 ingredients to make appetizing salad. Hope you like it. This dish suitable to make during busy working days. Fungus is low in calories and also rich in dietary fiber and various nutrients. Eating it with broccoli has a good effect in lowering blood pressure, lowering blood sugar and losing weight. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Broccoli, black fungus. Cut broccoli into florets. Wash and set aside. Add water into wok. Add salt and cooking oil. Cook broccoli. Broccoli place into bowl, then soak in cold water. Drain and set aside. The taste of broccoli boiled in cold water is crisper and more delicious. Black fungus, remove stem and cut into small pieces. Cook black fungus. Black fungus, remove from wok and soak in cold water. Let's prepare salad sauce. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon chicken powder, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon black vinegar. Omit chili oil if you don't like spicy taste. Add broccoli and black fungus, mix well. Salad is done. Broccoli is a high-fiber vegetable. The cellulose in it can effectively reduce the intestinal absorption of glucose, prevent a rapid rise in blood sugar after meals, and help diabetic patients control their disease. Black fungus has the functions of invigorating ki and strengthening the body, nourishing the kidney and stomach, and promoting blood circulation. It can resist blood coagulation, thrombosis, and lower blood lipids. The effect of black fungus is to reduce blood viscosity, soften blood vessels, make blood flow smoothly, and reduce the occurrence of cardiovascular diseases. Black fungus also has a strong adsorption effect. Regular consumption is conducive to the timely discharge of waste produced in the body. Regular consumption of black fungus can play a role in cleaning the digestive tract, clearing the stomach and intestines. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.